Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for PSY-45 Research Methods for Saturday, March 26th. And as I always do, just going to go over a few items, reminders, clarifications, again, anything I think you need to know to do well in our course. So first up here is that a reminder that you have your quiz for Chapter 9 this coming Monday, so make sure you've done your homework so you can help each other out pretty well in your group there when you take that quiz together. Also on next week, we're going to have our quiz on Chapter 10 on Wednesday, and you'll have your discussion for Chapter 10 due that Friday, April 1st there. So again, no April Fool's joke with that. It is actually due on Friday, April 1st. So do prepare both of those quizzes there for next week. Also a reminder, and you'll get an announcement about this early next week, is that you're going to have your third exam on chapters 8, 9, and 10 on that following Monday, on Monday, April 4th. So not next week, of course, but the following week on Monday, we'll go ahead and have our third exam. So do have your mind taps ready by that time there too. So here's the game plan for next week, though, just so you know. So on Monday, we're going to finish up Chapter 9. And we got a few issues to talk about regarding the statistical analysis of within subject designs, etc. There, just like we did towards the end of Chapter 8 on between subjects designs. And also, we're going to begin Chapter 10. And as far as the material in Chapter 10, it deals with both the quasi and non-experimental research strategy. And part of what we're going to do in this chapter is explore the two general categories of each of those strategies. One category of design are known as the non-equivalent group designs, and the second category are known as the pre-post designs. And by the way, non-equivalent groups designs, because you are comparing groups that just happen to be unequal, that is non-equivalent, these are technically BS designs, between subjects designs. And the other general category, again, pre-post designs, well, those are going to be where you're going to take the same group of people and measure them before a treatment and then after a treatment, but it's the same group of folks. So that's going to be, of course, within subject design. So we're going to be tying in part of what we learned in Chapter 8 and 9 on between and within subjects into these two strategies, quasi and non-experimental. And again, the two major categories of those, non-equivalent group designs and pre-post designs. We're going to do all that on Monday. And on Wednesday, we're going to drill down further, and we're going to detail the specific types of non-equivalent group designs, because there are multiple ones. And the same thing for pre-post designs. There are different particular designs within that category as well, which we'll see. And so those are actually some pretty interesting things we're going to cover there on Wednesday. And we're going to be taking a look at some graphs of data too that are very, very helpful for us to understand how those designs essentially work. Well, that's everything I wanted to cover this time. You had your discussion for Chapter 9 due yesterday there on Friday, so hopefully you all got those in there. Otherwise, have a great weekend. If you need anything in the meantime before class on Monday, feel free to reach out via email on Canvas, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Otherwise, I'll see you in class on Monday. So take care until then.